Well, that first customer was not happy that I was cutting in the rain. But it's really no big deal. There was no damage to the yard. I think people overreact about rain. It's just water. I kind of like working in the rain, to tell you the truth. The ground's very hard, and until it gets really sloppy and making clumps, I'm going to keep going. That's where I'm going to switch my strategy up. When it rains, I'm going to do the houses where the people aren't there, so I don't get any resistance. Hey, but I got paid, and if this stops, I'm going across the street and I'm going to do another one where they're not home. I don't like getting backed up.